Good evening, everybody. Welcome to the show. It's been a while since I've done a video, but I have some new camera equipment that I was trying to try out, and hopefully everything turns out all right with it. And today I'm not going to be cooking, but I'm going to be unboxing this Chargriller Akorn Jr. Kamado grill. This is my first Kamado. I've done a lot of research on it. I've watched about 30 videos, I guess, on it, so a few hours. And this gets a nice high temp to sear the steaks, and it also, you can smoke with it at low temperature. So you're gonna see me unbox it and see what's inside for the first time right with me. So here we go. Okay, what do we got? Got the owner's manual. We got the legs. Get that out of here. Maybe. Okay. Oh. Now this is an Akorn Jr. Kamado style grill made by Chargriller. This is the Junior, so it weighs about 40 pounds, unlike the ceramic ones that weigh like 250 pounds. But it is still pretty stout. Here is the lid with the heat gasket on it. Then you got your hinge assembly, which looks like it's already attached. And then you have the front of it where it says Chargriller Akorn, and it has the thermostat already installed. It's a nice pretty little red. I think that's the only color the Junior comes in, is red. So next in the box we have styrofoam, yay. We have the hardware pack that's all labeled, so even I can put this together. It looks like it's well packed. You have a plastic bag, you have bubble wrap, you have styrofoam. The next piece this is the ash tray that catches all your ash, and it just hangs on there. Then you lock it down on the sides right here, and that way you can dump your ashes. And you also have the temperature control. Seems okay, and it's all numbered here, 1 through 4, so you can try to regulate that heat. Okay, set that to the side. Next, more styrofoam. Okay. Next is the base. This is the inner base of the Kamado. We have this 3 little shelves right here. Okay, seems like it's enamel coated pretty good. Here comes the outside base. If I get the bubble wrap out of the way. Ooh, okay, here is the bottom. See how well packed that is? You got the bubble wrap, styrofoam. So here is the main Kamado. Okay, nice. I'm running out of room, so we'll just set that over here for a minute until we get this box out of the way. Okay. And we have the grates. Okay. Which I won't have to cut those out. Let me get the old knife out. Okay. This is a cast iron grate, so I will be doing a video on seasoning it when we do the first cook. It's a 13-inch round. Okay, so you should be able to easily cook for 6 to 8 people on this little grill. It should not be an issue. Let me set that to the side. And let me get this box down. Now, let's get this grill here. I imagine we got to put the legs on first, or maybe I should read the directions. Who knows? So these legs are steel, and there's 3 of them. So I don't even know where they go. We'll have to get the directions. They have too many holes. But inside this metal outer shell, they have all the holes already set. So that's kind of nice, where you can put all the legs at. Oh, that's why. It would help if I read it first, huh? So we got to install these plates so the legs can go on. That's what the 3 holes are for. Just like so. Boom. So we're going to install those. there you go. And you get this cool grill grate removal tool where you can just put it in here, boom, and just take it off nice and hot, lay it back down, boom. And it also will do, see there's little slots here, these little slots here and here, you do the same thing, see, and that just picks that up just like that. Ain't that cool? And you just lay that right back down, bam. And then you close it, and it has the same thing here. Clip it shut, so it seals it. Open it up just a tad, open it up just a tad, and yeah, we're smoking. Nice little acorn here. Very well built. Very well built. And yes, it does weigh a good 40 pounds. You wouldn't think this thing would be heavy by looking at it, but for its size, it's extremely heavy. And as you can see, the walls are extremely thick, that thick. And then it has the heat pad on there to seal it, and it has it on the bottom. And I guess I should move the sticker so it don't burn out from what I'm thinking about it. And as you can see on these Kamados, for those that know about a Kamado grill, porcelain interior withstands high heat. These things can get up to 700 to 800 degrees. They can get very, very hot. And that's what I wanted it for. And it also, once I get better with it, you can get it real low so you can do some smoking. And you can also have the heat deflector tray, which you have to buy separately, which is on my list to get for smoking. And it's porcelain. I'm actually going to try one of my stone pizza grills to see if it will fit in there and still give me the smoke and still deflect the heat. If it will, then I'm just going to save it because I have two ceramic pizza stones. So if one will fit in there, then I'm going to do it. If it won't fit, then I'm going to buy the one that's made for it. So, all right, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. I will talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching, everybody.